Hello friends. Today we have a super fun true or false quiz, all about how things are made. Are you ready to test your knowledge about money, glass, wood, fabric, and much more? Let's go. True or false? Paper money is made from normal paper like books. False. Most banknotes are made from cotton or special polymer, not regular paper. True or false? Wood comes from trees. True. Wood is cut from tree trunks and branches. True or false? Glass is made from melted sand. True. Sand is heated until it melts and turns into glass. True or false? All fabric is made only from cotton. False. Fabrics can be made from cotton, wool, silk, or even plastic fibers. True or false? Plastic comes from oil and gas. True. Most plastics are made from petroleum. True or false? Paper is made from rocks. False. Paper is made from wood pulp, trees. True or false? Steel is made by mixing iron with carbon. True. That's how we get strong steel. True or false? Rubber only comes from factories. False. Natural rubber comes from the sap of rubber trees, but there's also synthetic rubber made in factories. True or false? Chocolate is made from cocoa beans. True. The beans are roasted, ground, and turned into chocolate. True or false? Glass bottles can be recycled and used again. True. Glass can be melted and recycled many times. True or false? Leather is made from animal skin. True. That's why it's strong and durable. True or false? Cotton comes from flowers. False. Cotton grows inside the fluffy bolls of the cotton plant, not from the flowers. True or false? All sugar comes only from sugarcane. False. Sugar can come from both sugarcane and sugar beets. True or false? Bricks are made by baking clay in very hot ovens. True. That's how bricks become hard and strong for building houses. True or false? Aluminum cans are made from sand. False. They are made from bauxite ore, not sand. Great job, everyone. You learned so many cool facts about how things are made. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes every week. See you next time.